All right. Slide down just a hair. Keep this leg straight. Raise the right leg off the table from the hip. Switch legs.
That's my left leg.
Well, this was your right. This
I
was
know
your
you
left.
said lift my right.
We did initially.
Uh,
Is one leg more difficult or easier than the other? Do it again.
well, no, I mean, they're fine. It's just, I've got a lot of pain in this joint.
In that hip joint.
Yes, and I pulled my groin a while back, and it still feels like it's pulled sometimes, and sometimes it doesn't. So it kind of goes up into here.
Okay. You know I'm not adjusting your groin today, right?
Right.
Okay.
But you can pop my legs if you want.
Yeah. I think I'm funny, but probably not anybody but me. Lay face up for me. Handed now. One day we'll have to do a video just about why I've changed my adjusting techniques to left-handed instead of right.
You got about 2,000 videos to look at.
Yeah. Let that knee come inside. It's tight, man. You may be back in here. Come on. Let me have it. There you go.
Oh, I heard that one. Wow.
Excuse my language.
That's what we want, brother.
Oh my God.
That
You're
was a
welcome.
good
I'm a
one.
Christmas gift for that one.